Hi, my name is Muhammad Faez bin Badruddin. I am graduated from University Technology Mara in Bachelor of Science in Sustainable Marine Technology. Throughout my study, I was deeply involved in subject and fieldwork related to the ocean sustainability, marine monitoring, and conservation technologies. This has shaped my passion for protecting marine ecosystem and ensuring coastal communities and marine life remains healthy for future generations. I am interested in leadership role in marine conservation because I believe effective conservation requires not just a scientific knowledge but also a strong coordination, community engagement and ability to guide a team towards a shared goal. What motivates me the most is seeing the direct impact of the conservation work, whether it's improved coastal conditions, healthier reef, or more informed locals about the importance of marine ecosystem. Knowing that my contribution can support a long-term environmental sustainability drives me to work in this field. One challenge I experienced was during a group project where we had to design a marine monitoring plan. Our team struggled at first because everyone had a different working styles and opinions. So, in order to overcome this problem, I took the initiative to reorganize the workflow by assigning the tasks based on each member's strength, and I also arranged the short progress checks in. Through this experience, I learned that effective teamwork and leadership depends on communication, clarity, and understanding people ability. It also taught me to listen actively and make sure everyone feels included. Malaysia faces several marine conservation challenges, including coral reef degradation, coastal erosion, plastic pollution, declining fish stock, and habitat destruction due to development. However, I believe that the issue that needs the most urgent attention is marine pollution, especially plastic and waste contamination. These problems affect almost all levels of marine ecosystem, from water quality to marine life health. It also impacts the local fisheries, tourism, and coastal communities. Addressing pollution requires a strong monitoring, public awareness, community involvement, and coordinated action between the NGOs, government agencies, and local stakeholders. As a conservation manager, I hope that I can contribute to solution through educations and sustainable coastal practices. For example, like holding a beach cleaning program, which can help reduce the plastic pollution at the beach. During my study, I was involved in a marine fieldwork project where my group was tasked with conducting a coastal water quality sampling. So I was assigned as a team leader. Um, I planned the workflow, divide the tasks, make sure the equipment readiness, and coordinate the safety protocols. I also handled the communication with our supervisor and compiled the final report. So during the fieldwork, I make sure that we follow the timeline closely. But there is one moment where one of our equipments malfunctioned, so I quickly reassess and replace the equipments with our backups. And I also reorganize our team so that we can avoid delays. After the field session, I lead the data consolidation process. I assign one of my group members to cross-check all the readings and compile all the results into a proper report. I also prepare interpretation sections and ensure that all of our findings were presented clearly and accurately. In the end, our group was highly praised by our lecturer because of its precision and organization. So, this experience taught me that good leadership is not just about giving instruction, but also about planning ahead, adapt quickly to the problems, and make sure everyone works smoothly towards the same objective. Lastly, thank you for considering my application for the Marine Conservation Manager position. I believe with my academic background, my passion, and my experience working in teams can contribute effectively to your conservation projects.